Hello, I'm Tom Scarr. I'm one of the 3 judges appointed by the governor to West Virginia's new Intermediate Court of Appeals. I'm going to tell you about the structure of the Intermediate Court, which we call the ICA for short. The legislation that created the ICA is the West Virginia Appellate Reorganization Act of 2021. The type of cases the ICA handles is set out in Chapter 51, Article 11, Section 4 of the West Virginia Code, and is explained in another video already posted on the West Virginia Judiciary's YouTube page. The ICA is a single court that hears appeals from lower courts throughout West Virginia. The ICA is made up of 3 judges, which will be elected during nonpartisan elections to 10-year terms. The first 3 judges on the ICA were appointed by Governor Justice to staggered terms. The court formally opened on July 1, 2022. Our initial terms will conclude after the primary elections in 2024, 2026, and 2028 respectively. The winner of each of those elections will serve a 10-year term beginning on January 1 of the year following their election. My term on the court ends in December 2024. ICA Judge Dan Greer's term ends in December 2026, and ICA Judge Charles Lawrenson's term ends in December 2028. If a seat on the ICA becomes vacant prior to the natural end of a term, the governor will appoint a new judge to fill the vacancy until another election can be held as provided by law. Sometimes a judge on the ICA may not be able to hear a particular appeal because of a potential conflict of interest, such as when the case involves a family member of the judge, or if the judge had some involvement in the case prior to becoming a judge, or if the judge may have a financial interest in the outcome of the case. In those circumstances, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia has the power to temporarily assign a judge to serve on the ICA for that case. I'm truly proud to be one of the first 3 judges appointed to the Intermediate Court of Appeals of West Virginia. I look forward to talking to you further about the court and its future. Thank you.